Now I'm in $11 profit. You are tired of reading books. Everyone is tired. Even myself, I'm tired. You don't just get on reading, which is only theory. We need practice. So guys, this is the chance. Let me check now. Let me check and see if it is the rightful time to enter this buy. Yes, it's the rightful time to enter. Let me show you how I made this decision basing on H4. Let me show you guys. Let us do it slowly but surely. Let me take my pencil and then let me draw. Let me take this one out of here. As you can see, this is the leg. This is the leg for W. And this is the resistance zone. So I can put a horizontal line. And you can see another leg here. Another leg going down. And as we are having this resistance zone here, meaning to say it is going to resist here again. So we are going to see a buy trade on V151S. This is the reason why I decided to place a buy on this trade. I decided to place a buy on this trade. Yes, it may go down, but I know it is going to buy, and I'm going to collect a lot of money from this. I'm going to collect a lot of money from this. This is M1. Another point that can show you that this thing is a buy. Let me show you. Let me show you the candlesticks. This candlestick you are seeing here, the board is at the top, meaning to say this thing, there was a rejection of going downwards. So even if it is going downwards, and this also the green candlestick here is showing that there was also a rejection here. So this thing is going up. Let me add another trade. Let me add another trade there. It gave me the chance to add another trade with 0.5. And I can say buy. This is V151S. I know you are looking for a breakthrough. You want to turn your capital into something else. This is $1 lot size. This is $1 lot size. And this is 50 cents lot size. And I'm sure that I'm going to close 100% profit. And this money, this balance, will be $40 soon. It will be $40. And I'm going to make 24 loaves of bread, 2 dozens. Going to make 2 dozens of bread. As you can see, this one is already in profit. It's already in profit. So I'm just waiting for the confirmation of this one. And then it will go into profit again. Trading is very easy. It just needs knowledge. There are so many charts on the patterns of movement. For example, here, if I can click this icon, I can see the trend lines. Let me click this icon, and then you need to click the plus sign here. I click the plus sign, and then I can click the trend here like this, and then I can draw the candlestick line trend, this one, yes, this is the trend, and I can go back and I can take another trend line like this, and I can place it here. Let me drag it. Let me drag this one. This is it. This is it. Then we are still in the zone. So in terms of this trend, we have these three areas which were touched. Area number 1, area number 2, and this is third area. So we expect it to come to this level. If it breaks through, it is going to reach this resistance zone. This is the first one, followed by this second. First resistance and second resistance. So all this will be your profit. All this will be your profit. So you can use various tactics for you to make some signals. I think you can see now. You can see it. It is trying to go up. And I'm sure that this thing will go up. It will definitely go up. Let us keep on watching until it goes into profit. This is how I make profit. Yesterday I made $46 from $13. So you can see now $33, 33 cents profit. Yes. This is how it goes. It is going to move up. It's going to move up. As per my prediction, let me take this arrowed line and go to H4. This is H4. And I can say it is going to be like this. Let me take this dot. Let me remove this and then place this arrow. Let me place it there. Let me place it there. This arrow will go here. And this is another area. This is another area that we need to show you. We are going to have this thing. Yes, here. We are going to have it here. So let me keep on waiting. It is in negative now. But this negative is not permanent, it's temporary. We are going to have very good profit. We are going to close here. This is our TP, our take profit point at 1098.78. Our take profit point versus our entry point. So I will be in these trades until they give me very good profit. This is how I'm doing it. trading volatility indices 151S on Deriv platform. Everyone is free to open account on Deriv platform. What you just need to do is to go to the description section of this video. Below this video, simply click more, and then there's a link that you need to click, and you are supposed to open your account. After opening your account, your free account, follow the steps which are outlined there. If you need any help on how to open a real account, simply follow the link which is there and come to my inbox. I can help you on how to open an account for free. Don't panic. You don't need to panic. You don't need to panic because this is trading. So it moves in all directions. It moves in all directions. So I will wait for it until it comes back and make a lot of money for me. Do not close trades in red. Never close trades in red. Deposit the fund that you are ready to lose. Because if you keep on closing trades in red, then you are destroying your capital. Your balance must remain fixed. And then make sure you are working on your trades. If you know that you are not able to hold trades in red, then make sure you are using good lot sizes, which cannot give you high blood pressure. Because when you feel like you are burning, it is because of the lot size that you are using. Bigger lot sizes always warms our body. So you must deposit anything that you feel. If you lose it, you cannot get internal pressure. So guys, I will come back and show you this when it is in profit, or I will just use it as a thumbnail or a front photo for these trades, because they will definitely go to profit. So let us wait until it goes to profit. Let me add another one here, and then this will make profit for me, because it will go and make profit for me. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share the videos, click the notification button, and subscribe. Stay here. Free education is always available for you. Good time. Goodbye. I think you can now see that all the trades, they are now in profit. This is the power of holding. These trades went to minus $7, $8. So if you panic easily, then you can lose that $8. I kept on holding. You can see now all the trades, they are in blue. I'm keep on holding until I reach the take profit point. The reason why I came back, I know that some people may think that the account is going to blow. No, it cannot blow if you manage to make proper analysis of your trades. You can see it is now moving in blue and everything is in blue now. Yes, it can come down or up, but the route is going up. That is the only way that you can see the trades now. You can see it is in blue. So guys, open your account now. Let us trade. Good time. Goodbye. This is how we flip our accounts. Goodbye now. Let me wait until it goes to blue. Let me wait again. There's no need to panic. No need to rush. Wait for it. Let me wait now. You can see all this money, eco cash from trading profits just cashed in, and I'm making another money to withdraw. I want it to go to profit. Let me wait for it. I'm confident enough it will go to profit. Welcome to the third and final segment of this video. I think I showed you everything. As you can see now, I'm in $11 profit. It went up to this level. Let me show you the level where it reached. It reached another level, and it will continue to move up. Let me show you. It reached this level. So I'm expecting it to move from this level until it reaches another heights. As you can see, all my trades are in blue. Yes, this is $10 profit from $24. It reached $18. So let me wait for it, and then let me go to H4 and let me show you. This is still at the bottom, and I'm sure that this thing will go up. Let me take it up to this level. It will go to this level, and it is going to reach this level because we have this one. It moves downwards, and then we have this one. It moves upwards. Then we have this one. It moves downwards. Then it is going to go upwards to create what we call a W shape. So when we have the fourth leg, it gives the buy, and we can close here. So this is how it is going to do it, and we take profit at this level. So this is how it goes. Guys, same trades. If you are not sure, you can simply check the entry points. You can check the entry points and all these trades. So I'm going to leave them. I want to harvest or to close $24 plus from these trades. I'm not going to close them anytime soon because these trades will go up until it reaches the TP. But I'm not going to harvest everything. So my target is 100% from this profit. Nothing to wait. Go to the description section below this video. Simply click more and then click the link. Create your account today. You can trade 24/7. Tariff is very transparent and reliable. Everything that you need to do, even it may be depositing, withdrawing, everything is 24/7, and there's no hassle. It's hassle free. So this is it, guys. It's your guy Iron Man. Thank you very much. Let us meet on another segment. Good time. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and click the notification button. Click more below the video and create your own trading account. Use recommended brokers. Thank you.